My thoughts on the Biden's mental state, and it's something similar to a tree when Biden was debating Trump. So this tree is like the economic system, and you got federal agencies, governments, businesses, hospitals, everything. And basically Trump is just whacking the tree, and Biden has to like fix every single one of them. And Biden only had 2 minutes on stage. And when he got asked the questions are so dynamic that you tend to like become a little like scatterbrained because you don't know which way to respond to the crisis that's taking place. So basically, Trump, he didn't know what he's doing. He's not a certified public accountant or anything, and he barely had any experience in office. So he destroyed the whole system.